Alright my friends, so as the title say, I'm gonna try to repair my Flysky FS-GT5 transmitter. It's glitching, the button. You can turn it on, but it turns off pretty easy, so I'm gonna try to repair that. Why do I love this radio? I already have several cars with a receiver for this, and also I know there are new radios at this price point, like the Dumbo RC DDF350, I think it's called. But one thing that this one has that I much prefer of that other radios is you can control the gyro from the transmitter, and that Dumbo RC is very nice. It has a color display, but you'll have to control the gyro on the receiver. You'll have to use a pin to change it, to turn it on. And this one you can turn it on and off from the transmitter. Also, it has ABS and several other functions. On the gyro, you can have a gyro for the steering, for the throttle, and ABS. So I much prefer this one. It has much more functions that I'll use, alright? I thought of buying a new one, but I rather try to repair it before. But if I can't, I sure will buy a new one just like this, because I do like the functions on this transmitter and I'm used to it. I like it very much. Alright, let's go into the video. I'm hoping it's just a bad connection in the button. We'll see. So to do that, you need to remove these rubber covers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and also the handle. This rubber on the handle, because you have 2 more in here. So we'll have to remove 8 screws to split this open. Alright? For that you need a Phillips head screwdriver. Remember to keep track of where the rubber grommets go, because they are different, alright? Position them in the same order you have them in the transmitter, so you know how to put them on. All the screws are removed. Of course, you need to take off the cover for the battery. Now we're gonna try to split it open. Gently. Alright. You have this rubber here. Now we need to pull the button cover. It has one position. Don't mess it. And now I'm gonna try to clean the button. And for that I'm gonna use contact cleaner. You can use isopropyl alcohol, 99%. I'm gonna use this. Alright, let's try it. Alright, seems to be working. Yeah. Thankfully, it was only some dirt inside of the button. So this is an easy fix. Alright, now I'm gonna put this all together, because it's fixed. It's the reverse order of opening it, of course. Alright, it's finished. All rubbers in. And now works perfectly. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Consider subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you very much for your company. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.